Hello artists! Today we're going to make name art inspired by the story of Alma. I wrote out each of your names in pencil, but if you want to write them yourselves, or if you have a special way that you want to write it, you can flip your paper over and do it yourself on the back. Once you have written your name, or if you choose to use the outline I created, go over that outline, that pencil outline, with your crayon or your oil pastel and press down really hard so that you make a nice thick line. This is going to help us a lot for the next step, which is painting. So now you have your name, it's nicely outlined. Now we're going to start filling in that negative space in between each letter with its own individual pattern. So remember, when we say negative space, we're talking about the space in between things. So in that negative space in between the O and the E in my name, I'm adding stars. In the negative space in between the parts of the E, I'm adding some swirls. Each piece of negative space in your drawing is going to get its own unique pattern or design. If you're feeling stuck, look at the pattern sheets, the pattern idea sheets on your tables. You can also invent your own. That is perfectly fine as well. I'm adding some triangles. You can add any kind of shape. And once you're done adding a pattern to every single part of the negative space on your drawing, raise your hand and tell a teacher, and we're going to give you some watercolor to do step 2. So here is a sneak peek of step 2. And if you don't get to it today, that's okay as well. You're going to brush your watercolor over those patterns that you drew. And we're going to learn more about this effect in the next lesson, but this is called wax resist. All right, artists, it's your turn. I can't wait to see what you create.